Shalom, Jai Bhim. Shalom is a spiritual greeting of Dalit race. Jai Bhim is social greeting of Dalit race. Welcome to Dalit Knowledge. This is Professor Dr. Karunekara, Dalit historian and an Ambedkar thinker. Today, I am talking about how to pronounce the term Dalit. Dalit is originally a Hebrew word. In Hebrew, Dalit is pronounced as Dalit. D for Delhi, D for diamond, D for Dalit. Generally, in India, in Hindi language, we pronounce Dalit as Dalit. Like Delhi, in Hindi it is pronounced as Dilli. So Dalit also, in Hebrew, it is a Dalit. In Hindi, it is a Dalit. Like Delhi. Delhi, in English, it is a Delhi. In Hindi, it is a Dilli. The same way, in English, Dalit is Dalit, D-A-L-I-T, Dalit. In Hebrew as well as in English, it is Dalit. In Hindi, it is Dalit. Both pronunciations are correct. But if you want to pick up, if you want to use the original pronunciation of Dalit, then it should be Dalit. A Hebrew pronunciation is Dalit. English also has taken original pronunciation from Hebrew. So in English, Dalit. It's not a Dalit. Dalit is a wrong pronunciation in English. Originally, D-A-L-I-T. These words are pronounced as a word as Dalit. D-A-L-I-T. Dalit. That is a true and original pronunciation here in Hebrew language. Because Dalit is originally a Hebrew word. English also has taken the same pronunciation from Hebrew. So in English also, D-A-L-I-T is pronounced as Dalit, same way as Hebrew. But in Hindi and in vernacular languages, in Indian local languages, it is pronounced as Dalit. Same is the case with Delhi, I said. For more information, you may refer my book, History of Dalit Identity, which is available on Amazon. Thank you very much. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat.